You know, folks, we humans are a funny bunch. Take the banana, for instance. A near-perfect food package, portable, delicious. But what happens to that peel? Trash can? Compost bin? Well, I'm here to tell you that chucking that peel is a culinary crime. We're not just talking compost here, people. We're talking everything from shining your shoes to, get this, potentially brightening your smile. So buckle up, food explorers, because we're about to embark on a journey into the unexpected world of banana peels. Now, we all know that banana peels can decompose and add nutrients to the soil, right? It's practically a composting cliché. But what most folks don't realize is just how much nutritional firepower those peels are packing. We're talking potassium, folks, the king of plant nutrients, essential for strong roots, healthy growth, and even disease resistance. So, how do we unlock this botanical bounty? Well, you can chop those peels up and toss them straight into your compost bin. That's method one. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, try making banana peel tea. Just soak those peels in water for a few days, strain out the solids, and voila! You've got liquid gold, ready to give your plants a serious nutrient boost. Now, this next one might sound a little out there, but stay with me. That natural wax, along with the potassium we talked about earlier, makes banana peels surprisingly effective shoe shiners. Just grab a ripe banana peel and rub the inside on your leather shoes in a circular motion. You'll be amazed at how it buffs out scuffs and leaves a nice natural shine. Plus, you get to impress your friends with your newfound knowledge of eco-friendly shoe care. Alright folks, let's talk teeth. We all want a sparkling smile, right? But some of those whitening treatments can be harsh, expensive, and let's face it, a little scary. And one of the most intriguing contenders, you guessed it, the banana peel. While banana peels do contain potassium, magnesium, and manganese, which some believe can help remove surface stains, there's no definitive proof that they actually whiten teeth. But hey, what's life without a little experimentation? If you're curious, give it a shot. Rub the inside of a ripe banana peel on your teeth for a couple of minutes each day, and see if you notice a difference. Of course, it goes without saying, this is no substitute for good old-fashioned brushing and flossing, and regular visits to your dentist. We've all been there. Pesky mosquito bites, the occasional breakout, dry, itchy skin. It's enough to make you want to stay inside forever. Well, before you declare war on the outdoors, let's talk about a natural remedy that's been hiding in plain sight, the banana peel. They're loaded with antioxidants, which can help protect your skin from damage, and vitamins A, B, and C, which can help moisturize, soothe, and even reduce inflammation. For bug bites or itchy patches, just rub the inside of a banana peel on the affected area for a few minutes. And for those pesky pimples? Well, some folks swear by placing a small piece of banana peel on the blemish overnight. Remember though, everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. Let's face it folks, bug bites are the ultimate party foul. But before you reach for the calamine lotion, let's explore a more natural solution, the trusty banana peel. That same peel you usually toss without a second thought can actually help soothe those itchy bites. Applying a banana peel directly to the bite can help neutralize some of that histamine, reducing redness, swelling, and that unbearable itching sensation. You might need to apply the peel a few times for maximum relief, and some folks might not see any difference at all. But hey, it's a natural, readily available option that's definitely worth a shot. Alright folks, let's talk about silverware. Before you panic, put down the harsh chemicals, and reach for, you guessed it, a banana peel. The potassium helps to break down tarnish, while the oils leave behind a nice protective shine. Just rub the inside of a banana peel on your silver, then buff it with a soft cloth. You'll be amazed at how it brings back the shine. And the best part? No harsh chemical smells, just the faint, pleasant aroma of banana. Listen up, home cooks, because this next tip is a game changer. Let's talk about meat, specifically how to make it tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. It's all thanks to an enzyme called papain, which is found in bananas, particularly in the peel. Papain is a natural meat tenderizer, meaning it helps break down tough protein fibers, resulting in a more tender, flavorful finished product. You can add a whole banana peel to your slow cooker or braising liquid. The heat will help release the papain, working its magic on the meat. Or, for a more concentrated approach, try blending a banana peel into a marinade. Now this next one might sound a little out there, but bear with me. We all know clean water is essential, right? But what if I told you that something as simple as a banana peel could potentially help purify your water? Banana peels are surprisingly adept at absorbing heavy metals from water. Researchers are still exploring the full potential of this natural filtration method, but early studies are promising. It does suggest that banana peels could play a role in developing simple, sustainable water purification methods, particularly in areas where access to clean water is limited. Alright folks, let's talk hair care. We spend a small fortune on shampoos, conditioners, and all sorts of concoctions promising to give us lustrous, healthy locks. But what if I told you that one of the best hair treatments might be sitting in your fruit bowl disguised as a banana peel? Banana peels are packed with potassium, which is essential for hair growth, as well as vitamins A, B, and E, which can help condition the scalp and add shine. Apply it to your hair, let it sit for about 30 minutes, then rinse it out. The result? Softer, shinier, more manageable hair. And if you're dealing with a dry, itchy scalp, a banana peel rub can help there too. Alright folks, let's talk about something that affects us all, our mood. While the research is still in its early stages, some studies suggest that banana peels contain a substance called tryptophan, which is an amino acid that our bodies convert into serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in regulating mood. Now, before you go stocking up on banana peels, it's important to note that the amount of tryptophan in a single banana peel is relatively small. And while some folks swear by brewing banana peel tea for a mood boost, there's no definitive scientific evidence to support this claim. Just remember, if you're struggling with your mood, it's important to talk to a healthcare professional. Alright, athletes, gardeners, and anyone who's ever woken up feeling stiff and sore, this one's for you. Let's talk about pain relief. Specifically, how something as simple as a banana peel might be able to ease those aches and pains. The potassium can be absorbed through the skin, potentially helping to reduce inflammation and ease muscle soreness. Another option is to try a banana peel compress. Just wrap a banana peel around the sore area and secure it with a bandage. Now, it's important to note that this is not a substitute for medical advice. If you're experiencing persistent pain, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. Gardeners, listen up! Are you tired of battling aphids, mealybugs, and other pesky critters determined to devour your precious plants? Well, before you reach for the chemical pesticides, let's talk about a more natural solution: the humble banana peel. When buried near your plants, banana peels attract microorganisms that release nitrogen into the soil, making it less hospitable to those pesky aphids. Simply chop up your banana peels and bury them a few inches deep in the soil around your plants, and if you want to take your pest control to the next level, try making a banana peel spray. Just blend a few peels with water, strain out the solids, and voila! You've got a natural, homemade pesticide that's safe for your plants and the environment. We've all been there. You're tackling a DIY project, pen in hand, when disaster strikes. Ink stains, while often unintentional, can feel like a permanent reminder of our less-than-graceful moments. But, fear not, my friends, because the humble banana peel is here to save the day. For fabric stains, rub the inside of a banana peel on the affected area for a few minutes, then launder as usual. And for those pesky ink marks on your skin, just rub the inside of a banana peel on the affected area for a few minutes, then rinse with soap and water. The oils in the peel will help break down the ink, leaving your skin clean and stain-free. Well folks, there you have it. From the garden to the kitchen, from our bodies to our homes, the humble banana peel has proven to be a versatile and valuable resource. So, next time you're enjoying a banana, think twice before you toss that peel. It might just be the solution to a problem you didn't even know you had. Now, I'm curious, have you ever used banana peels in an unexpected way? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more surprising uses for everyday items, be sure to check out my next video on the amazing world of eggshells. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.